In case you're wondering, this is what 100 clams shells look like, although I've taken 10 out of the pack now because I'm making wax tarts or wax melts. I just laid out my trays on top of each other a bit here to save space, and I'm going to try to pour with one hand here, not really noticing what I'm doing. Let's give it a go. I may have filled these up too much. I'm not sure yet. We'll find out soon enough. I'll do the rest off camera. See, my max welts varied between 72, 82 grams. So I did a total of 10 of these guys. One of them didn't turn out very well because I didn't check the container before putting it in. Got to make sure it's rounded out. I guess it got squashed in the bottom of my pile there. Okay, my scale is not the most accurate, but I would guess that these each weigh about 10 grams. It says 11 here, but we'll say 10. And then my heaviest is, I think, 83. And then my lightest one, where is it over here? Maybe this one was 74. So I had a 10-gram variance. Now to package these guys, you could put a sticker on the inner flap here showing the ingredients, and then put your branding here right on the front. It's hard to do this with one hand. Let me give it a go. No, I got to put the camera down. Okay, pretty snug fit, and I guess you could tape it if you're worried about it coming undone. There's many different ways to package these. They make great gifts. You can sell them in flea markets or just use them for yourself, which is what I kind of plan to do, at least for the one I botched. Now these clam shells come in quite a variety of shapes and sizes these days, but I think the 6 square is the standard now. And what I like about these two is that they have perforated endings so that you can hang them up in display if you don't want to stack them. So great value for money. I got a whole, as I said, 100 of them. I'm going to be using them for quite a while before I get through all my wax and fragrance. Affordable purchase for a fun hobby. Much easier than making candles, and it's also flame free, so great.